You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French dish, which is similar to coq au vin, so it's meat cooked in red wine generally. The French pronunciation is as daube. By the way, if you want to learn more French terms from French cuisine, stay tuned. I've got tons of them. I'll link to them at the end of the video. So, daube, daube. Now, some say it as daube. That'd be more in the south of France, so there could be a little slight difference in pronunciation in the O sound. Daube. Essentially, in English, you could spell it D-A-W-B, a bit like dawn, but with a B. Daube, daube. Yeah, it's pretty easy, daube. And now you know. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.